When you first open RStudio, you will see four panels. First is script panel, console panel, environment panel. Fourth one is file plot or help panel. So let's see one by one all the panels. Script panel. The script panel is where you write and save your R code. Let's create new script by going to file, new file, and R script. So here you can write your first R code. Let's type x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, and add them x plus y. So x and y are our variables. So you can save your script by clicking file and save, or you can press Ctrl yes. Next is our console panel. So the console panel is where your code gets executed. You can type commands directly here or run from the script panel. So let's run the code we just wrote. The output of your code appear here in the console, or you can use console panel as a calculator. You can do mathematical calculations in the console panel. Third one is our environment and a history panel. The environment panel keeps track all the variables, data, and functions you have created in your sessions. For example, the variables x and y we created earlier are listed here. The history tab records all the commands you have run during the sessions. It is a great way to revisit past work without scrolling through the console. So you just click on your code and you can see in the console panel. Fourth one is our file, plot, package, and help. This is a multiple purpose panel, has several tabs. First is file tab, so you can navigate your working directory. Second is our plot tab. You can see your visualizations here. In the package tab, you can manage R libraries. And in the help tab, you will get documentation for R functions and packages. Let's see the sample plot. Just run this command in the script panel, and plot tab shows visualizations like this one. So you can export plots by clicking on the export button. Also, you can customize the RStudio interface as per your need. For example, you can change the R theme by going to Tool. At the end, you can see global options. Click on the global options and appearance. So you will get the multiple options for the theme. So you can select any suitable theme for you and just hit on the apply button. You will get the theme. This video, we have seen the script panel for writing and saving code, console panel for executing the code, the environment panel for managing variables, and the file, plots, packages, and help panel for navigating files, visualizations, and documentations.